This isn't actually what people think it is. Despite its description in Google Maps, the stunning waterfall in the centre of New Zealand's North Island has been masquerading as something it is not. In an area of New Zealand full of Lord of the Rings filming locations, is this really where they shot the backdrop for Gollums Pool? We decided to take a look for ourselves. Tawhai Falls is located on the edge of Tongariro National Park in the North Island of New Zealand and just to the west of Mount Narahoi, otherwise known from the movies as Mount Doom. Just a short walk from State Highway 48 that leads to the volcano Mount Ruapehu. This location is a definite must-see when heading to the region. As you walk down the track, you can begin to hear the sound of roaring water getting closer. The first lookout brings you to the upper waterfall, where a crystal clear stream that is fed from tributaries further up Ruapehu itself cascade down 8 to 10 metres into a pool below, the spray from which casts a rainbow. So how did it come to be that this incredible scenic stop was named Gollums Pool? Ian Brody, the man who quite literally wrote the book on Lord of the Rings, filming locations, happened to mention on page 22 the beach and Toa-Toa-lined river tumbling over an ancient lava flow into a rock pool can easily be imagined as Henneth Annan, the location of Gollums Pool. In reality, the filmmakers actually created and shot the backdrops in the studio, but that didn't stop someone seizing a golden opportunity to promote this stunning place on the global stage. But for now, let's just sit back and admire the stunning scenery in this special place in the heart of Middle Earth country. Another short walk further down these well-trodden paths, around a corner and down some more stairs. This time, the roaring sound of the water is much louder, as if amplified by the surrounding rocks of the pool itself.